that is what the helmet does. It guards your mind with this confidence that what God has started, He will bring it to completion. Amen? You see, one of the most formidable weapons or strategies the enemy will bring against you is the lie that your salvation is not secure. And why does he do that? Because an insecure soldier will have little, if no, impact on the battlefield. If he can get you to question your standing with God, he doesn't have to defeat you, you will disqualify yourself. If he can keep you wondering, am I really saved? Am I really forgiven? Right? Am I really his? Will I really go to heaven one day when it's all said and done? Then you'll hesitate when you should be advancing. You'll shrink back when you should be standing firm, and you'll go silent when you're called to speak. Because insecurity will always produces instability. And a soldier who is unstable in his identity will always be ineffective in his assignment.